Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. So you joined me in the middle of Birmingham in Digbeth. So I had a really late night last night, but we've got a little bit of a short video for you just because I wanted to do a bit of an introduction in terms of the F56 and some changes that I made last night of all things. So Friday night I was wheel shopping. Many people might have seen on social media, etc. I've been looking for wheels to test because of the air suspension. I don't know what the clearance is going to be like compared to coilovers. So I wanted to try and borrow a set of wheels. So I was looking for an 18 by 8 set of wheels to try on it. When I came across a set of wheels, not 18 by 8, but actually 17 by 7.5, I think ET47, came up. A reasonable price, but they were down in sort of Sussex way. So I made an offer and went down and collected them yesterday. So it was a bit of a jaunt. It's 3.5 hours down there and 3.5 hours back. But Alex let me fit them on his driveway, so really pleased. Wasn't sure whether the colour would work with the volcanic orange, but they do. So what I'm going to do now is just show you the new wheels on the car and talk through a couple of things I also bought alongside. So I think in terms of the colour, so you see a lot of black and gunmetal on volcanic orange. Wanted to go a bit different. These wheels were already this colour anyway, so I thought we'd give it a go and see whether they work. So let's show you the F56. See, we've got bronze wheels on volcanic orange, so I've not seen it done before. I'm sure someone will point out one that has been done, but I'm at my OG spot in terms of getting photos of new wheels. So you can see you've got graffiti in the background, so I'm in the middle of Digbeth in Birmingham, so I've paid my car parking fee, so I'm okay to be here. And I always, whenever I get new wheels, come down here and just get some photos. So you can see they stand out. On the video they don't look as bright, so I'll put some photos in as well. They're Autec Wizards, I think. So I've had to fit 10mm spacers to clear the air struts, which I knew I was going to have to do, and I need that to clear the F56 JCW brakes that are going to be going on the car. But you can see they sit really nicely, especially with the air setup. So on the back, obviously I'm not looking for tucking the lip and everything else, but it does sit really nicely on those wheels. I've just shifted the F56 just so you can see it from the side. I have to say I was really unsure about the bronze, and I was going to get them done gunmetal or black, but seeing that colour, wow, that really pops. If we zoom out a bit, just because I want to take advantage of the scenery as well, that just looks so good. I hope you'd all agree. Obviously post down below if you think that the colour doesn't work or what colour you think they should go, but I'm really tempted to keep that bronze colour. It works really well, and then with the red JCW brakes behind it, that'll pop. So while I was down with Alex, I also bought some rear control arms as well. So I've got some adjustable rear control arms just so we can mess about with the camber on the rear of the car, and I've also got some OEM black door handles, because these ones that I think I fitted in an earlier video are just the clip-on covers, and they're just not as nice as the OEM ones. So I've got the OEM door handles to go on as well. You can see, there you go, nice view of those wheels. And I think in terms of where they sit in the arches, pretty much perfect for what I want. I'm really happy with that. A bit of a shorter video today, but I just wanted to show you the new wheels on the F56 because I'm really pleased with them. They worked out better than I thought they would. I wasn't sure whether I'd like the actual style or colour of the wheels when I saw them in person. Collected them in the middle of the night, didn't get back till 1:30 last night, and then I've headed straight up to Digbeth just to get some photos for social media, etc. So if you like today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content for the F56, the Paceman and the BRZ. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.